Hey guys, welcome back to Gaming with Sophie and
Autumn Crafter. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell.
yeah, turn on the bell, mine too. Yeah,
Yep.
the bell. And yeah, today I'm gonna be playing Adapt Me with Adam.
Woo! Okay, join my server.
Oh, I thought I was gonna join it. Okay. Her username's Rybread2.
99.
Yeah, Rybread299. Let me get some of this.
I'm still decorating my house. This is the house I have. Ready?
Let me see. Guys, I tried to make my Roblox avatar, like, on Adopt Me, look like me. Wait, let me teleport to my friend. Teleport.
This is my house, guys.
Let's go check it out. House tour.
It's actually not decorated yet because I literally just bought it today.
Oh my gosh, my new apartment isn't decorated either.
Okay, anyway, so come here. So this is the kitchen.
Ooh, that's cute.
And what I'm going to do in here is I'm going to get some glass barriers and make some rims. So this is the bathroom, and then I'm going to put a glass barrier.
I think you should use the regular barrier.
Regular barrier?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, oh my gosh, I got an idea.
Oh, yeah, I'll add you.
Yeah. We're gonna do a building video now.
Add builder.
Yay.
Okay, I can only... How much do I throw? I'm going to put like 200
Okay, thanks.
because I have $900, so I put
Okay, where do you want me to decorate?
So like put barriers, like just put barrier, like a barrier right here, and then put a door and then another barrier.
Yeah, Autumn, brush your teeth or brush your
Put it right here, please.
Right, where?
Right here.
Like that?
Yeah, like that. And then do another one.
Wait, can't you do it?
Yeah, I'll do it too.
I used to have this house too.
Really? Wait, actually, no. I'm gonna switch it up for a minute.
Okay.
Don't do another barrier.
Oh, okay.
Ah, I'm stuck. I fell.
Oh no.
My name in the game is Alani. I just feel like it's a pretty name.
Yeah, it really is. I'm climbing on your barrier. Ha ha. Wait, can I do one of my own rooms? Yeah, thanks. I'll do your bedroom. Okay, I'm sorry, Mimi. I can't take you to the pool party.
Mimi. Who cares right now?
Mimi, let me give you a shower though. I can do that. Mimi, don't listen to her. She's a beatie. Mimi, get in there. Okay, I'm gonna leave you there. Is that okay if I leave you?
Actually, we only need one barrier, like just to separate the rooms and stuff.
Okay.
Like, I'm gonna do right here.
Edit.
Sorry for the loudness.
Yeah. Okay, bed is what I'm gonna type in. I think this bed's pretty modern. And it's not that expensive, so yeah.
How expensive is it?
Let me see again. Wait, can you come to my room? I need some help.
Sure.
Builders?
Whose room is this gonna be?
What?
Whose room is this gonna be?
Yours.
Okay.
Like, as builders, it says you're not allowed to select that. So can you move the table and the stuff on it, like, near here?
Okay, so for my bed, I actually want, like, can I decorate my room?
Okay, fine. Okay, I'll go to the other room. Or do you want this to be my room?
Here, this is gonna be the baby room, so can you be like my baby?
Sure, when I'm done decorating it, okay? Okay, so first, car. I'm gonna type car. No, maybe rug. Yeah, I was gonna call it carpet, but since Autumn's not like here in this room, I'm gonna change the wallpapers blue, cause everyone likes blue. Is that your dog?
Yeah.
Sounds like he's whistling.
He's whining.
Oh.
Okay, now I'm gonna make a room for my friend. I have a
Okay. This is my room. I'm gonna be a baby soon. I usually like being an adult, but I'm trying to get some money, so I'm usually a baby these days. What just happened? Ruggy Maduggy. Oh, yeah, and you should go subscribe to Autumn Crafts. Crafter. Sorry, guys, I just figured out that she had a YouTube channel like today, so I didn't really know at the beginning. So sorry. Stuff rug. How did I already spend like $100? I was just buying rugs. Okay, I'm gonna sell all of them.
Okay.
Can you come here?
Sure.
I need you to change the wallpaper. I was putting rugs on the wall and that wasn't working very well. But how did I spend like $100 trying to put that? Oh no, I only spent 33. Oh. Okay, well come in here.
What?
Okay, change this
The
to
walls.
yeah. Is there like a blue background?
Is this okay?
I can't see it. Let me see it on your thing.
Is this okay?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay. Oh wait, I think there's a different one. Oh wait, it's 37 bucks. Do you still want to keep this table? This is the
Can
baby room, so I'm gonna put like 3 cribs, okay?
okay, can you delete everything actually, even the windows?
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, Mimi, you're going in the backpack. Okay, thanks.
You're so wicked.
Oh, I was gonna place down those, but okay.
I want it to be like pastel colors.
Okay, yeah.
And only do like 3.
Okay,
So 2 more.
crib. Let me type. Okay. Now let me paint it. Is that pastel?
No, hold on, let me do it.
Oh.
Sorry. And then put the
Okay, thanks.
And then this is gonna be like the baby slash pet room.
Yeah, baby slash pet room.
So we need some beds.
Okay, let me get a barrier really quick.
Yeah, and then a door. Hi.
Hey girl, before you go to sleep, will you turn on 72? Maybe it's playing.
Adopt me.
I don't know what that is.
Remember, it's the game with the unicorn. Yeah. Yeah, have some lights.
Okay.
Okay, I'm only gonna put 2 pet beds because they're $100.
Oh, you're working on this room with me?
Yeah, actually, I'm gonna put some cribs for the pets, but they're not gonna be
Okay.
like those cribs.
Okay.
They're gonna be different cribs. They're gonna
Okay. Okay, there we go. I spaced them out perfect.
Look, we have to be a little quiet because no one's going to hear.
Oh. Okay. Let me put teddy bears in this room. If I can find them. Stuff, toy, no, it's teddy. Box of toys. Here we go. Maybe I can put them in between there. Or should I put them like right here? I don't know. A good idea. I'm gonna leave that there for a secchi. Don't mind it, please. Okay, let's put that there. Let's get another box of teddy bears. And I think they're cheaper than the tables. How much was the table? Oh, it's only $6. Boom. I spent $6 more than I was supposed to. Okay, let me put a rug here. Okay, let me put that there. Okay, what else do I want to do? Yes, a pet food bowl would be very nice.
Let me get my unicorn out to see if it's the right way. Yep.
She's so lucky she got a unicorn.
Out of an egg.
Wait, what egg did you get it out of?
A normal egg.
Okay, soon I'm gonna be doing a egg opening video where I'm gonna be opening a bunch of cracked eggs. I hope I don't rage in it. Probably will rage. Oh no, the video's been 12 minutes already. Maybe I should end it.
Come back for part 2.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a part 2 right now. Okay, bye guys.
I don't want the cat ears.
Okay, well, okay, I'll delete that. Bye.